Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an editable newspaper-style template in Google Docs. This is perfect for school projects, assignments, newsletters, announcements, creative writing, and more. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to docs.google.com and create a blank document. Now, before typing anything, we need to make it look like a newspaper layout. So first, go to File at the top, click Page Setup, and set all your margins to 0.5 inches so the text goes closer to the edges, like real newspapers. Click OK. Next, type your newspaper name at the top, something like Daily News or Campus Times. Highlight that text. Go to the toolbar, increase the font size, bold it, and center it. This will be your newspaper header. Now we need columns, because newspapers use columns. So highlight everything below the newspaper name. Then go to the top menu and click Format. Hover on Columns and choose 2 columns or 3 columns, depending on the style you want. Now your page is divided like a real newspaper. Next, insert a section title for your first article. Then, under that, start typing your article text. You can also add images. Just click Insert, choose Image, and upload from your computer or Google Drive. Then resize the image and position it inside the column. Newspapers always use text wrapping, so click the image, choose Wrap Text, and adjust it so the words move around your photo nicely. You can also add borders or shapes to make headlines stand out. Just click Insert, click Drawing, choose New, and add shapes or boxes. Write text inside them and save. This gives your newspaper a professional look. When you are done designing, this now becomes your template. You can edit the text anytime in the future or duplicate the page for another edition. Everything stays editable. Headings, body text, pictures, all can be changed when you need it. And that's how to create an editable newspaper template in Google Docs. Now you can design your own newspaper easily and customize it any way you like. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.